Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. It's JR here. I'm working on my bumper here on Clifford, the prepper truck. I have a few things I want to get done today. What I found out the hard way is that on these GMT 800 trucks, like Clifford, this is going to be, 99 to 2007 in this body style, 2006 in general. On this body style truck, what I tried to do was wire this trailer light as brake, tail, and turn signal, and that will not work on these trucks. They have to have a separate tail light, or turn signal, I'm sorry, or else they'll go crazy. What was happening, I spent all last weekend trying to figure this out. So what was happening was I'd hook everything up and it would just be on full brake no matter what, just sitting there. So I talked with a guy on Expedition Portal. His name's Jack. He has a much nicer version of the same truck, and he told me that he had the same thing when he bought his flatbed. So he had to add a small turn signal. Now my frame mount is right here, so I wanted my shackle mount to tie into the frame mount and also the bumper, and then I'll go back and triangulate it. So I really had to go back and forth. Like, I couldn't put this next to it because the mount's right there. I didn't want to put it inside. I wanted it to, had I known this ahead of time, like you guys will, I would have designed around it, but for right now, that's kind of where I'm stuck at. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap the LED flasher, the electric flasher I bought off Amazon in, and wire these taillights up temporarily like that, like a hack. I'm just doing that to make sure, check for function, determine wire lengths, and once I get that done and have them working, I'll take it all down into the basement and solder it together. But today I'm going to try to work on these steps too, and fuel fill at the very least. It's still pretty early in the day. I got a live stream coming up here shortly, so I'll be back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I almost broke my ankle. Obviously that's not going to stay like that, but I've been trying. This has been just killing me for, a week now. And I met a gentleman on Expedition Forum who told me that, I think I mentioned this, you have to have a separate light in order to go through the body harness. I met another guy that said go through the trailer harness and that should work fine. I had, this was just working. Of course now it's not going to on video. Interesting. So the blinkers work if the lights are off. It's progress. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I've got this fuse tap deal into the that goes into the turn signals. I don't know where this goes after that, but as soon as you turn the headlights on, they go off. That's crazy. So I'm making progress at least. I guess I'll just continue on. I'll be back. I don't know when this video will get posted. It was my goal to post it today. Man, my seat's getting really bad. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna keep at it. It sucks when people have, obviously the weather's not good out here. It sucks when people have, hacked things up and stuff and you have no idea why or when or where. Clifford had a plow on him at one point in time. I don't know what any of this stuff does. I have a ton of wiring under the hood and stuff. All this braided loom, that's all plow stuff. I don't know what it does, what it's supposed to do. I got some kind of intermittent short. Sometimes that turns into work, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. I'll be back when I figure it out. I'll fill you guys in. So for funsies, I've taken the taillights completely out of the equation. Forget about them. Straight off the trailer plug. This is the turn signal with the lights off. See it cycling. Let's turn the lights on. As soon as you turn the lights on, it's done. It's over. Stop flashing. Nope. Sorry. So I still got voltage at the left turn signal, but it's not cycling now. And then I have voltage at the taillight wire as well. So this is my voltage at the turn signal. It's just not cycling now. So I believe the problem is more in the front. Somewhere in the fuse box, I don't know. It's getting bad.